always one that gives me problems. What you don't want to do is make noise. Ah! Normally the cans come right out.
Do you want me to put this? Whoa, there you go.
Okay, watch it, your hands now. Watch your hands. Come on over here. All right, so here's the queen. She's got a white spot on her back. It's a young queen. See the white spot on her back? All right. And this is where they have the cork with the candy that allows the queen to get out.
Show me the cork with the candy.
All right, the candy's right here. And then the cork's right here. All right. So let's get the cork out. Get the cork out. All we need to do is, okay, there's a little piece of cork here. We remove the cork. This one's not happy to be here. That's a nurse bee to take care of the queen. All right, you can see the candy all the way in there. And they'll eat that candy to get the queen out of the hive. So what we're gonna do is remove her here. We establish her in the middle frame. All right, sometimes you have to take one of these out just for a day. I like to take the last one out because they usually don't build any brood on the last box.
So that's the frame where they build honey on, right?
Yep, well, not just honey, but also brood. And then, so what you do is you put the queen in there. And you just,
Where is she? Oh, she's right here.
so you put her right there. And put that frame in there. All right, here comes the fun part. You put this box on top. All right, trying to make sure you don't kill any bees as you
So
get.
there's a second box.
It's only a temporary box. All right, so here's what we do next. I'm gonna keep this frame out. Gonna collect some of my tools because I got 2 more hives to add bees to. All right. So in this can for their travels is tiny little, it's sugar water. So you can see it leaks slowly on the bottom, sugar water. That's what they feed on. Right? All right, here we go. So their job is they're gonna wanna go find their queen. So here's 3 pounds of bees.
that it?
Hive 1, done.